Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and review video for you. We will be exploring some amazing rewards earned through paid surveys and sharing our thoughts with you. So, let's dive right in. Here we have our first survey reward package. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at all these gift cards and vouchers. This package includes gift cards from popular online retailers and restaurants, as well as vouchers for various services. These can be used for online shopping, dining out, or even for experiences like spa treatments. The value seems substantial, so these rewards are definitely worth the time spent on paid surveys. The variety of gift cards ensures there's something for everyone. From fashion retailers to technology stores, there are options to suit different preferences. Additionally, the monetary value of each gift card is generous, making them valuable rewards for your time and opinion. That was an impressive unboxing experience, and we're already excited to start using these rewards. Now, let's move on to the review segment and explore the usability of these gift cards and vouchers. After unboxing the rewards, we took the opportunity to test them out and see how user-friendly they are. We tried redeeming them online and offline to gauge their ease of use. Let's look at our experience. Redeeming the gift cards online was a breeze. The websites were user-friendly, and some even had dedicated redemption portals. It was effortless to add items to the card and apply the gift card at checkout. Plus, the checkout process was smooth and hassle-free. Using the gift cards at physical establishments was just as convenient. We simply presented the gift card to the cashier, who scanned or entered the code, and the amount was deducted from our bill. It's a seamless process that allows you to enjoy your meal or experience without any complication. Apart from their monetary value and ease of use, these rewards often come with special discounts and promotional offers. So not only do you get a gift card or voucher, but you may also unlock additional savings or exclusive deals. From our experience, these survey rewards and gift cards are not only valuable but also highly usable. Whether you prefer online shopping or dining out, there's something for everyone. Now, let's move on to the final segment of our video. That concludes our unboxing and reviewing of paid survey rewards and gift cards. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and earning rewards, paid surveys may be a great option for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon with more exciting content. In this video, we unbox and review paid survey rewards and gift cards. Discover the value, usability, and overall fulfillment of these rewards earned through sharing your opinions. Join us on this exciting journey to find the best options for earning rewards through paid surveys. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.